Welcome to Safe Stay Villa, your perfect destination for a safe, peaceful, and luxurious tour and travel experience. Whether you're a family on vacation, a couple on a romantic getaway, or a solo traveler seeking tranquility, Safe Stay Villa prioritizes your safety above all else. Let's take a tour of the top safety features that make this villa an ideal place to relax without worry. Stop 1. 24/7 CCTV surveillance. From the entrance gate to all corridors, common areas, and outdoor spaces, Safe Stay Villa is equipped with high-definition CCTV cameras operating 24/7. This ensures constant monitoring and a secure environment. Footage is securely stored and monitored by trained security personnel to guarantee guest safety at all times. 2. Smart door lock system. Each room is fitted with a digital smart lock that operates with unique access codes or key cards. Guests receive personal access codes at check-in, preventing unauthorized entry. This system also logs entry and exit times, ensuring extra protection for your privacy and belongings. 3. Emergency response system. Every villa unit includes a built-in emergency response system with quick buttons for fire, medical, or security help. These connect instantly with the on-site response team and local emergency services, offering peace of mind in any unexpected situation. 4. Fire safety equipment. Safety is never complete without fire protection. The villa includes smoke detectors, fire extinguishers, sprinkler systems, and clear fire exit signage in all rooms and hallways. Regular drills are conducted to ensure the staff and guests are familiar with evacuation protocols. 5. Trained security guards. Professionally trained guards are stationed at the entrance and patrol the premises round the clock. Their presence ensures not only protection from unauthorized visitors, but also immediate support in any unusual situation. 6. First aid and medical support. Each villa is stocked with a basic first aid kit, and the main office keeps a fully equipped medical emergency station. In case of serious health concerns, the villa maintains partnerships with nearby hospitals and clinics to provide fast medical transportation and assistance. 7. Safe transportation services. For sightseeing and transfers, Safe Stay Villa offers pre-booked insured and GPS-tracked vehicles with trained drivers. All vehicles undergo regular safety checks and drivers follow strict safety guidelines, ensuring a secure travel experience for all guests. 8. Child safety features. Families with children are especially welcome. Safety gates, childproof sockets, and baby monitors are available upon request. The pool area is fenced with non-slip tiles, and staff members are trained in basic child CPR and safety assistance. COVID-19 and hygiene protocols. Post-pandemic, the villa has maintained high standards of hygiene. Rooms are sanitized before each stay, staff wear protective gear, and hand sanitizers are available in all common areas. Health checks for staff and optional temperature checks for guests are also conducted regularly. Conclusion. Safe Stay Villa is more than just a place to stay. It's a safe, secure, and serene escape. When you travel, your peace of mind matters most. From advanced tech to trained staff, every feature here is designed to ensure you can focus on what truly matters: relaxing, exploring, and enjoying your journey. Thank you for choosing Safe Stay Villa, where safety meets serenity.
24/7 security surveillance. CCTV cameras discreetly placed at villa entrances. Most luxury travel villas now come with 24/7 CCTV surveillance. Cameras are installed at entry points, hallways, and outer premises to monitor any unusual activity. What's important is that these systems are discreet, ensuring both your privacy and security are respected. 2. Secure gated entrances. Seen villa gates opening automatically with keycard access. The best villas offer gated entrances with keycard or biometric access systems. Only guests and authorized personnel can enter. This eliminates the risk of strangers walking in and gives you that extra layer of security, especially at night. 3. On-site security personnel. Seen friendly security guard at the villa entrance. To complement technology, many travel villas hire trained security personnel stationed round the clock. They're not just guards, they're also your first point of help in emergencies. Their presence makes guests feel protected while still enjoying a relaxed environment. 4. Emergency medical kits and first aid. Seen, a drawer opens to reveal a well-stocked medical kit. Every room is equipped with an emergency first aid kit, including basic medication, bandages, and antiseptics. Some villas even provide an on-call medical professional or direct link to local clinics in case of more serious situations. Health comes first, even on vacation. 5. Fire safety systems. Fire alarms, extinguishers, and sprinklers. Modern villas are fitted with smoke detectors, fire alarms, and extinguishers. In higher-end properties, automatic sprinkler systems and fire exits are clearly marked. A real vacation means zero worries, and that includes protection from fire hazards. 6. Digital room safes. Scene: guest placing passport in a digital safe. Each room typically comes with a digital safe for storing valuables like passports.